Hello and welcome to another video guide on Canvas. Today we will talk about ways to enrich content using the Rich Content Editor, whether you are creating content in announcements, assignments, discussion, pages, quizzes, or your Canvas course syllabus. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize the Rich Content Editor toolbar and its functions, in particular embedding content. We will also identify some challenges and limitations and feature a case sample, which is a live course this term, music appreciation. Okay, let's look at the key parts of the toolbar first. The first thing you'll notice is that the Rich Content Editor looks a lot like a Word document. There's a text or content box, and above it are the menu and toolbar. There are sections for editing text, adding media like images, videos, website links, files, and apps, whether they're saved in your course files or you're adding them externally. There are tools for adding tables and equations as well. And below the content box are the shortcut keys, the accessibility tool, and the HTML embedding tool. Here's a summary of the shortcut keys. They make work easier if you're quite familiar with them. Now let's log into a course and take a look at a used case, music appreciation, and how the course lecturer or designer used the content editor creatively. The home page made use of very nice images for the quick links below for the syllabus, modules, and academic integrity pages. Let's take a closer look. So I'm in the edit mode and I can see that this very nice homepage banner was an image upload from the course files. Other upload options include files from your computer, external apps, or a URL. Let me draw your attention to the text format. A best practice shown here is to use heading formats and bulleting key items. These images below were also added through image uploads. In the syllabus, you see that there's a good balance between texts, images, and tables. She also followed good formatting practices like numbering, bold-facing, and underscoring the headings of the lengthy syllabus content. Let's take a closer look. In the edit mode, we can see that the instructor used images for important content like course details, grading procedures, and the weekly module schedules. How she did it was by taking a screenshot and saving it as a PNG or JPG file. This way, these sections pop out or appear clearer than other content like texts. She also actively used links, and I'll show you how that's done later. Here I'm also showing you a good example of an announcement that included a QR code or a link to an external tool, Microsoft Office Forms, and again, good formatting practices. A closer look in the edit mode shows us that she embedded the image of the QR code and then added the link to a Microsoft Forms as a backup. We're going to now create a test page showing all these good practices in the homepage, syllabus, and announcement of this course. All right, first let's create a new page and we're calling it Testing the Rich Content Editor. And we type up the content first and then do the enriching later. I'm intentionally listing tasks here so that I can practice bulleting them or putting them in a table. When we're done with content, we're going to put focus on the 5 numbered tasks by bold-facing them and indenting them. Now, if I want to link content to a discussion or assignment, I simply select the key text and add a course link. On the right, I'll be shown different sections of the course to which I can link the text with the discussion or assignment. I can do the same to the quizzes and other pages within the course. Okay, now I want to add a table, and I do that by either clicking the table tab up here or the table button towards the right. Format the table size so that it looks neater. I can also attach a file to any area of the content by clicking the Upload Document tool and selecting from the right that document I want to attach. And so this is the music appreciation course. I want to recommend a tune for students to listen to. I can go to a YouTube, and if I don't have a copy of the music file in my computer, I simply copy the URL and then go back to the content editor and click the link tool and then insert that external link. Finally, I want to add icons to my content, specifically inside the table here. I click the images tool up here, and in the image course files, I just scroll down and select appropriate icons to insert. I use icons mainly to draw attention to the content near or next to it. Lastly, I check with the accessibility checker if the formats or colors I used are appropriate or follows the universal design for learning. Here it shows me I have 8 accessibility issues to fix and suggest ways to fix them. So with colors, you are presented with a color palette, with file names, the option to change them, and with tables to add headers. A final look at the page gives me this, and there you go. In this video, we showed you the different parts of the Canvas Rich Content Editor. We also showed you how to attach media or video or document links to your content and embed some of them. And we also touched on the shortcut keys. Thanks for joining me today.